Hi, my name is Patrick. This is to inform you what to carry for the SNAP test. So those are going for the SNAP examination. Just a brief of what to carry and some important points. So one is color printout. Remember, no black and white. In the CAT examination, black and white was okay, but as far as SNAP, they very clearly mentioned the color printout. Read the instructions properly. They mentioned there very clearly. I'm just briefly saying what are the important points. So no black and white photo. Put your photograph, latest color photograph again on the admit card, passport size color photograph on the admit card. Original identity proof, no soft copy will be allowed, remember that. Okay, soft copy is not accepted. So it can be either voter ID card, passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, full page printout of Aadhaar card, PAN card. Filming printout from a color printout. So ensure that full original valid identity proof is there. And apart from that, they carry a mask, hand sanitizer, transparent water bottle, simple ball pen. This is what they mentioned. It's not necessary. Ball pen, yes, mentioned because you need to do rough work. You can carry two or three. They mention a simple ball pen, but you can carry two or three ball pens just in case, and carry these in your. So this is basically what you need to carry as far as SNAP examination is concerned. So your admit card alert with a photograph attached on it, one ID proof, and anything and pens basically. That's important. Apart from that, you can carry water bottle, hand sanitizer, mask. That's what they've allowed you to carry. So look at this and accordingly go. Some important points. Remember that they very clearly mentioned that your SNAP test admit card will be stamped by the, and that is important for later process. And if admit card is lost, no duplicate admit card will be issued. They've clearly mentioned that, which means ensure that the SNAP admit card is stamped and keep it with you. Because if you want it for admission later, you also ensure you don't carry normal electronic items like maybe your digital watches, digital diaries, or any piece of paper not allowed inside the centers. You can't carry any piece of paper. Remember, no gadgets, nothing which is so ensure that you don't take it. And they mentioned reach the center 2 hours before the test. You can reach 1.5 hours, 1 hour before, but to be safe, since they mentioned 2 hours, try to reach the test center 2 hours before the test. So take these points into consideration when you're going for the exam. 1 hour test, give your best. Don't ensure that you don't give up till the end. All the best. Thank you.